mount this snap frame onto a brick wall. First thing I'm gonna do is make sure it's level. And I'm gonna mark where I want to drill my holes. Then we're gonna take our hammer drill, which is a 3/16 bit on it, which is the size I need for my anchors. I'm gonna line it up where I've marked the hole. Got these same blue anchors. They're good for concrete walls, brick. Pound them in. Grab a drill. And normally you put 2 more down to the bottom. So to install your graphic in your snap frame, you just want to open up the frame like so. Make sure your graphic is in there. And then just start closing the sides. And that's it. It's as easy as that.